Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to today's presentation. We'll be exploring a fascinating case study on enterprise transformation and the ever-evolving competitive landscape. Our focus will be on India's emerging role as a global AI infrastructure hub, and we'll delve into strategic insights around global AI partnerships and market entry models. This is a must-learn for students, faculty, and industry stakeholders alike. Today's focus is the groundbreaking news of OpenAI partnering with TCS, marking the start of India's AI revolution. So, let's get started and see what insights we can uncover together. Today, I want to share some exciting developments on our journey to transforming India into a global AI powerhouse. First, we're co-developing enterprise agentic AI solutions, which means we're working closely with partners to create intelligent systems that can autonomously handle complex business tasks. This is a crucial step in making AI more practical and impactful across industries. Next, we're launching Project Stargate's India operations, a major initiative aimed at accelerating AI innovation and deployment within the country. Alongside this, we're focused on building robust AI compute infrastructure across India, ensuring the necessary technology backbone to support advanced AI applications. I'm also pleased to share that we are in advanced talks with OpenAI and TCS, two industry leaders, to explore strategic collaborations. These discussions are a key part of our broader strategy to bring cutting-edge AI capabilities to India. Finally, we recently announced a historic partnership that underscores our commitment to this vision. Together, these efforts are designed to position India as a leader in AI on the global stage, aligning with our overall goal of harnessing technology for transformative growth. When we look at our largest IT service capabilities, one thing stands out: our ability to enable fast deployment. This means we can quickly bring solutions to our clients, helping them stay ahead in a rapidly changing landscape. Our approach also emphasizes rapid scaling, which is crucial in today's digital world. Whether a client needs to expand quickly or adapt to new demands, we have the agility to support that growth seamlessly. We've built deep connections across key industries like finance, retail, and manufacturing. These relationships allow us to understand the unique challenges each sector faces and tailor our solutions accordingly. Our enterprise relationships are a cornerstone of our strength. They give us insights and trust that help us deliver consistent, high-quality services. And when it comes to digital infrastructure, our Hypervault AI data centers are a game changer. They offer massive digital capabilities, ensuring data security, speed, and reliability at scale. All of these elements, quick deployment, rapid scaling, industry connections, strong enterprise relationships, and world-class infrastructure, come together to give us a strategic advantage. It's this comprehensive capability that truly sets TCS apart and enables us to deliver exceptional value to our clients. All right, let's dive into some of the exciting developments in AI infrastructure around the world. First, we're seeing a truly global effort with countries like Japan, Estonia, France, Germany, and the UK joining forces to build what we call the global AI supercloud. This initiative aims to create a massive, interconnected cloud infrastructure that supports AI innovation across borders, making it more accessible and scalable for everyone. Next, in India, there's a plan to lease 500 megawatts of compute capacity. This is a significant step forward, signaling India's commitment to advancing AI capabilities with advanced data centers that can handle the demanding workloads of tomorrow's AI models. Speaking of power, we're also witnessing the development of next-generation processing power. This isn't just about faster chips. It's about enabling the kind of massive compute clusters needed for cutting-edge AI research and deployment. These clusters are the backbone of what we call the massive compute clusters, designed to support the most complex AI tasks at scale. And tying it all together, we're looking at the ambitious 10-gigawatt AI infrastructure megaproject, known as Project Stargate. This is a $500 billion vision to build the largest AI infrastructure ever conceived, aiming to revolutionize how AI is developed and used globally. All these initiatives highlight a clear trend. The future of AI depends on enormous, interconnected, and powerful infrastructure. It's about enabling innovation at a scale we've never seen before, and these projects are at the forefront of that transformation. Let's take a look at the key sectors driving AI growth. As projected by NASSCOM and BCG for 2027, the enterprise AI market is expected to reach around $22 billion. This highlights the rapid expansion and significant investment across various industries. We see that sectors like finance, retail, manufacturing, telecom, and public services are leading the way in adopting AI technologies. These industries are leveraging AI to improve efficiency, personalize experiences, and innovate their processes. Interestingly, India is positioned as the second-largest user base for ChatGPT globally, which underscores the country's growing engagement with AI tools and platforms. All of this ties back to the idea that India is becoming the perfect AI hub, combining a large, eager user base with a thriving ecosystem of innovation. It's an exciting time as these sectors and India itself are shaping the future of AI on the global stage. Let's take a closer look at the competitive landscape. First, Google Gemini was offered free to Geo users, which was a strategic move to gain quick adoption and build loyalty among a huge user base. This kind of aggressive, free offering often forces competitors to rethink their own strategies. Next, we see OpenAI pivoting towards a collaboration with the Tata Group. This indicates a shift in their approach, exploring new partnerships to strengthen their position. Meanwhile, Reliance is focusing on building an independent 1-gigawatt compute hub in Jamnagar. This is a significant investment, aiming to establish their own strong infrastructure rather than relying solely on external players. There were also negotiations between OpenAI and Reliance Industries that unfortunately didn't lead anywhere. Earlier discussions showed that both sides were exploring potential partnership avenues, but those talks ultimately failed to materialize. All these moves highlight how dynamic and competitive the landscape is, with key players trying to leverage different strategies, whether through free offerings, partnerships, or infrastructure investments, to stay ahead. It's a clear demonstration of the intense race for dominance in this space. Now, let's take a closer look at our co-creation efforts for building intelligent platforms tailored for Indian enterprises. One of the core aspects here is agentic AI development, which aims to create AI systems that are more autonomous and capable of making decisions independently. To support these advanced AI operations, we are planning a 500 MW compute lease, ensuring enterprise-scale capabilities that can handle complex workloads efficiently. This massive compute capacity is essential for powering the kind of AI solutions that can truly transform businesses. As part of this initiative, the India leg of Stargate kicks off with a collaboration with TCS, a strategic move to establish strong and reliable compute infrastructure right here in India. This partnership helps us build a robust infrastructure foundation necessary for scaling AI solutions at an enterprise level. Finally, these partnership deliverables are designed to ensure that we not only set up the technological backbone, but also foster ongoing collaboration, innovation, and value creation. All of these efforts are aligned with our broader goal of developing intelligent, scalable platforms that will drive digital transformation across Indian industries. Let's talk about how these advancements are shaping the future. An improved ChatGPT experience means more seamless and engaging interactions for users, making AI more intuitive and useful in everyday life. At the same time, enhanced free offerings lower barriers, allowing more people to access AI tools without restrictions. Increased competition fosters innovation, leading to better, more localized AI services that truly cater to diverse needs. For users, this means a competitive edge. Faster deployment cycles allow new features and improvements to reach you more quickly. Localized, cost-effective compute resources help tailor AI solutions regionally, making adoption easier and more relevant. All these factors accelerate AI adoption, empowering individuals to leverage AI in their personal and professional lives. For enterprises, these developments spark the emergence of innovation clusters, hotspots where ideas and talent come together to create cutting-edge solutions. Reduced dependence on foreign compute infrastructure not only enhances data security, but also boosts local capabilities. This environment attracts global investments, further fueling growth. Additionally, a surge in domestic AI capacity means more opportunities for local businesses and startups to thrive and innovate. For the nation as a whole, these changes have a transformational impact across India. They drive economic growth, create new jobs, and foster a culture of innovation. Ultimately, this journey isn't just about technology. It's about empowering India to become a global leader in AI, shaping a brighter, more connected future for everyone. Now, let's look at how compute and agentic AI are becoming central to enterprise operations. These technologies are no longer just tools. They are now core components that drive efficiency and innovation across the board. Moving on to operations, we're seeing multi-billion-dollar investments in infrastructure, which are not only creating new opportunities for private equity and funding, but also enabling large-scale AI deployment. This kind of investment signals a serious commitment to building the foundational assets needed for AI-driven growth. In finance, the demand for AI talent is skyrocketing. Companies are reskilling their workforce and restructuring their organizations to better integrate AI capabilities, making them more agile and competitive in this rapidly evolving landscape. When it comes to HR and organizational behavior, AI is becoming a key differentiator. Early adopters of AI technology are gaining a significant edge over their competitors, highlighting the importance of being proactive rather than reactive in adopting these innovations. In marketing, we're seeing a shift towards partnership-driven market entry models, especially for global firms entering markets like India. Collaborating with local players helps navigate complex markets and accelerates growth. From a strategic perspective, especially from an MBA viewpoint, understanding these implications is crucial. Embracing AI early can position firms for sustained competitive advantage, but it also requires rethinking traditional strategies to leverage AI's full potential. Overall, integrating AI across these domains isn't just an option anymore. It's a necessity for future success. As we look toward the future, we see the convergence of global AI leadership and Indian enterprise capabilities shaping a truly defining moment for technological advancement. This intersection is not just about competition. It's about India establishing itself as a key player on the world stage. With multiple tech giants vying for a share of the Indian market, the competition is fierce, but the benefits are widespread. This healthy rivalry is accelerating innovation and driving growth, which ultimately benefits all stakeholders involved: businesses, consumers, and the entire ecosystem. We're also witnessing a substantial market opportunity, estimated to be between $17 and $22 billion. This enormous potential is fueling rapid adoption of AI across various sectors, transforming how businesses operate and deliver value. Another exciting development is the partnership between OpenAI and TCS, which positions India as a critical player in building global AI infrastructure. This collaboration underscores India's emerging role in shaping international AI standards and capabilities. Finally, we're seeing the emergence of India as a global AI hub. Its strategic initiatives, talent pool, and investments are paving the way for a vibrant AI future. In summary, India's AI journey is at a pivotal point, one that promises to influence not just regional, but worldwide technological progress. This is truly an exciting time for India and the global AI landscape as a whole.